Okay, so can't even see me. So I just finished priority. So priority is done, 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 done. Priority's done. Which I'm like really, really happy about. Water break. Okay. So what it's giving. Oh wait. I should tell you guys what my wait, did you see my peanut butter in the back? I feel like you did. I have a problem. I like peanut butter. I have a problem. Anyways, so my mixing snacks are of course are my just my jar of peanut butter, of course, and my Oreo s'mores, like my s'moreos. Um, yeah, but I only have eaten one because they're like high in calories. Um, because he's a healthy king. So yeah, but right now I'm finishing up simple. So, and then I'm gonna revisit distant. Yeah. Ugh.